Yo, what's up guys, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will unbox a new parcel. You can see this is the new parcel. In this parcel I have bought a gaming mouse. The gaming mouse company's name is Meftech, and I have bought this parcel from the Amazon. So now we will unbox it. So let's start. So I will cut the polythene with the help of cutter. You can see. And now you can see our mouse box is here. So we will put it aside, and you can see the mouse box. The Meftech company is the name of the mouse. Mouse company's name is Meftech. So now we will unbox it. So we will put this also aside, and yes. Now I will take my mouse. See, this is our mouse. We will put the box aside. So this is our main mouse, and this is the instruction manual. I will show you. This is the instruction manual. What function we will get with this mouse. So we will put it aside. So now we will come on the mouse. So this is our mouse. The quality, what is the quality of the mouse which is built is that the plastic and the rubber, you can see it is very lightweighted, and the scroll bar is very smooth. If I will scroll it, you can see this is very smooth, and it has 7 customized buttons. If I will show you, these 2 buttons are for forward and backward. If you go inside a folder, if you want to go like forward, so we will put this button like this, and if you want to come backward, so we will put this backward. So this is forward and backward, and this is for DPI. You can see the D is also written. This is for DPI, and it has 2000 DPI, and this is for RGB, the light. The RGB, it has a 3 or 4 RGB light, means light, and it is tag 10. The new model, the Meftech company has launched a new model which is Meftech tag 10. So this is the new model tag 10, and this is the USB. I will show you. Yes, I will open. So this is USB. So I will open. Yes, so you can see this is our USB drive. So we can connect it through our laptop, a PC. So if we connect, so the light will open. So this is our mouse. It is 5 watt. The voltage is 5 watt, and the rated is 100 mAh. If I will show you, so you can see the back things. So now I will play the cinematic shots of this mouse. So now you will see the cinematic shots. thoughts. So I like this mouse. This is the best mouse. If I will show you in this mouse, this is the eagle. You can see the logo is with the eagle. I like this mouse. I recommend you to buy this mouse because I like this. And if you want to buy this mouse, so I will give the link. The link is in the description. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So मिलते हैं आपसे next video में. तब तक के लिए goodbye.
Yeah.